Okay, let's say that you've actually created something in in one class, and you actually want to. It's such a good thing you want to actually use it also in another class. It could be all different types of things, whether an activity or a resource, a whole bunch of different things that you actually get to choose from. But of course, the more narrow you actually make your selection, the less the things are that actually come with it that you don't want. So I'm going to run you through a little option here. Is the thing called import. It's under the administration block. You can see right here, click on import. And when you do, it will give you a list of different classes, depending on ones that you actually have available to you that are your classes as well. I'm going to go ahead and pick one of my other classes here, and you do a little search like this and pop it up. Hit enter, and I'm going to pick my Computer 8 class. Say okay, go for a continue on this. Now the choices I actually have in here are activities and resources, blocks, filters, calendar events, question bank, groups and grouping, and competencies. Well, I'm only after one particular item, which is some videos that I'd actually created using a web page. All right, so I'm taking all of these off, and I know that it's an activity or a resource. So once I do that, I click next. Now it gives me all the ones that I actually have available in the class, but the one I really want is this G Suite video here. So what I'm going to do is tell it to pick none, and then I have to actually pick the topic that it's actually in, all right, which there is computer applications. Now the G Suite video, and click that. That's all I've actually picked, as you can see. And then I hit next, and it's going to show me exactly what I have picked. All right, so see, I've included the resources. Here is the section that I've chosen out of, all right, and the available activity or resource. As you can see, all the rest of them have X's with them, so I'm going to perform the import. Now, it will import it right to the section, even though the section doesn't have the same name on it. So when you actually hit continue on this, all right, and it takes you back to the page, you'll have to actually look for it. Not a real big deal. I mean, you could actually just remember the name and do a Control F and find it on the page. All I need to do, though, is I know that it was from the first topic, so it's in the first topic. Right there it is. All right, and that's how you actually do an import from another class. You can do this with several different things, but of course, the more you actually import, the more organization you have to do to put things where they're easily found.